I'm going to show you exactly how to use Priority Inbox in Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your computer browser and sign in if you're not already. I'm already inside my inbox, and the default layout is just one long thread list. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the window. A quick settings panel opens from the right side, and at the top of that panel there's a row called Inbox Type. Mine currently says Default. The controls are layout tiles, not a drop-down. Before choosing one, notice the option called Important first. That one still gives you a single list, just with important messages pushed to the top. Priority Inbox is the option that actually splits your mail into separate sections. Click Priority Inbox. Gmail applies the layout immediately, and the inbox reorganizes. You'll see Important and Unread at the top, Starred below it, and everything else at the bottom. The first section says Important and Unread, not just Important. That means unread messages stay visible at the top even when Gmail doesn't think they're important. Now inside the Quick Settings panel, there's a Customize button under the Inbox Type row. I don't use it because it gives you fewer section controls than the full settings page. Click See All Settings at the top of the panel instead. The settings page opens on the General tab. There are a lot of tabs here. Click Inbox. The Inbox Type drop-down here should already say Priority Inbox because you changed it in the Quick panel. Scroll down to the Sections area. This is where Priority Inbox becomes something you actually control. The first section is already set to Important and Unread. Keep it in first position. That's the section you'll check first. Click the number next to that first section and set it to 50. The default is too small and it hides older unread messages. The second section should be Starred. Click the drop-down if it's not set to Starred and choose it. I keep this one at 25 conversations. Starred is not a favorites folder. Use it only for messages you still need to act on. If you star everything, this section becomes the same overwhelming pile you just split up. The third section is everything else. Leave it last, but click its count and set it to 52. This is the overflow bucket. If you set it too low, a message can slip out of sight and you'll think it disappeared. Under the section rows, look at the importance markers setting. Keep it turned on. Those small yellow markers next to messages explain why a message landed in that first section. If they're off, the sorting looks completely random. There's also an Add Section button below the 3 rows. I would ignore it for now. 3 sections is the right amount while you learn the flow. Adding more sections now makes the inbox feel crowded, and you'll probably switch back to default within a day. Before you save, check the order one more time. The first box is the one your eye hits first, so Important and Unread has to stay on top. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Gmail reloads your inbox with the new section counts, and your Priority Inbox is now active. The thing that bites people next is Gmail putting a newsletter in Important and Unread. Hover over the yellow importance marker next to that message in the inbox. A tooltip appears saying that message is important. Click the marker to remove the importance flag. Gmail updates the marker. If that message is still unread, it may stay in that top section until you open it, but future mail from that sender won't be sorted as important. If you want a different split later, go back to the gear, click See All Settings, open the Inbox tab, and change those same numbers. Set everything else to 100 if you get a lot of low priority mail and want more of it visible. And if Priority Inbox ever feels too segmented, go back to the same Inbox tab, switch Inbox Type back to default, and click Save Changes. The classic single list layout returns right away. Give this a like if the layout made sense, subscribe for more direct Gmail setup walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.